Hello everybody, this is Ice Fox Train Spotting here, and today we have CSX 6479, a GP40-2, sitting here idling at Lee Hall, next to the chessie caboose, right here. This is a 1980 unit. This unit was built in 1980, and yeah, just wanted to stop here and get a little video of it. It's just sitting here idling right now. I think it's doing work. I'm gonna zoom in on it. It's got a K5 LA up there. Yeah, it's an old girl. She's still working hard. Yeah, very old girl. All right, well, this is Ice Fox Train Spotting signing off. Peace.